Let's put an end to the clutter in our junk drawers. I throw just about anything and everything that doesn't already have a home into my junk drawer. This can make for a quite cluttered and unorganized space. I can never find what I'm looking for, and most of the time I have to dig all the way to the very back to find that loose battery for the TV remote. Today, let's eliminate those things, organize this drawer, get rid of the clutter, and have a space that we can actually use. As always, the first thing we do is remove everything from the drawer. We're going to place it on our counter and group it into like items. We're also going to take this time to throw away any broken, unused, or items that we just really don't need. We're going to throw them away in the trash. Now we're going to go ahead and clean the drawer since there's nothing in it. This should just require a rag and some water. Simply wipe the drawer out, make sure all the dust and debris is gone, and then if you have it, go ahead and place one of those liners down on the bottom to protect the drawer. Now, get your organizational little tubs or baskets or whatever it is that you're going to use. Personally, I like those silverware holders that you can get at the dollar store. They just have all these little compartments for the little things that I throw into the junk drawer. You use whatever works best for you. Place them in the drawer in an organized manner and then start taking your grouped items and putting them together. All of your ink pens, all of your batteries, all of your extra tape, all of your command hook stickies, everything that you have in the drawer is going to get its own personal spot, tub, container, basket, or whatever that you're using. You are really going to enjoy being able to open your junk drawer and find exactly what you're looking for without having to dig. Now, don't just organize this space and then never think about it again. You want to add your junk drawer to your monthly cleaning list. That way you can stay on top of it and keep it organized and clean at all times. Go snap a photo of your junk drawer. Show me how you've organized it. I would love to see the ideas that you've come up with. Post your photo down below in the comments so that way everyone can see. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational, cleaning, and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.